What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we had our first snowfall, and I thought that it would be a great time to talk about one of my personal favorite Christmas decorations. I always like to show off my fishing poles, my combos, and I got the perfect idea for this about a year or two ago, where I grabbed my fishing poles and I made a Christmas tree out of them, decorated them, and left them in plain view, and people that would come in, they would see the fishing poles, and that would be a great conversation starter, not even talking about how good it looked. So in today's video, I'm going to make one of those Christmas trees along with you guys and show you guys how I do it. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got my fishing poles here. Most of them are covered. They have a sleeve on them. And the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to unsleeve all of them. The poles can be with reels on them. It doesn't matter, they can be without reels. Most of the ones that I have reels on them, and they even have a line on them, but it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna start unsleeving these, and then we'll get to building the Christmas tree. Alright guys, so I got them all unpackaged, all unsleeved, and then now we can start building the teepee, which for that you can use anything. It doesn't really matter. You can use like an old piece of wire or something like that, and then you just tie it at the top and you spread the bottom. I'll show you how that looks right now. Alright, so there is that teepee formation here. I kind of spread them out. The more fishing poles you have, the better it looks. There's my zip tie at the very top. I'm just gonna cut it off and we're good there. Now, the Christmas lights. Alright, so this is the final result without it having any of the lights on. I bunched it up a little bit more and then wrapped it with the Christmas lights. The cord ends up going to the outlet, and now all we got left to do is just turning it on. Alright, so there are the Christmas lights turned on. In my opinion, it looks pretty good. Alright, on that note, we are done with our tree. You can also put ornaments on it, or last year I ended up putting lures in the boxes that they came with, store packaged, onto the Christmas tree, which it looked fairly cool. But this year I just decided to go without that and just go plain old simple with the Christmas lights, and that's it. But on that, it is a wrap. Stay tuned. I bet you guys saw the mess that I have with my snowboarding gear. That is coming pretty soon. The resorts are supposed to open within the next few weeks, and we can get out there and start shredding. Stay tuned for that one. See you guys later. Peace out.